Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of No Sleep FX. I'm your host, Tony, and today we're going to talk about two trades that I took today, one during Asian and one during London session, pre-New York, okay? So right now we're on the 15-minute chart and we're in replay mode already, okay? And first things first, we're going to start with, we're going to go to the 4-hour. And we're going to talk about how I broke this trade down in my mind, right? So right here we have a bearish engulfing candle on this candle right here. This one was the bearish engulfing candle, and the EMAs are crossing right there, right? Then we go down to the hourly, 1 hour. Okay, you can see the EMAs have crossed already, and we are in bearish territory now. And my idea behind the Asian session trade was to fill all this wick space over here, right? I wanted to fill this wick. I wanted price to come all the way down and fill all this space, right? Okay, and we go down to the 30-minute, and again, yellow under red, we are in bearish territory. And then we go down to the 15-minute, and 15-minute is where I find my entries, right? So again, the idea was to fill this wick over here, right? Fill the space. Okay. And again, as you can see, yellow under red, we're in bearish territory. Okay. And for Asian session trades, I give myself about a 2-hour window to find trades during Asian session, which is from like 8 p.m. till about 10 p.m. I like to try to find trades within that time frame. Okay. This this blue line is my anchored VWAP, and that's my time-based anchored VWAP. Starts every day at the new trading day, which is the start of Asian session. That's when that blue line pops up every day. Okay. And then this new anchored VWAP that I've been playing around with is a price-based anchored VWAP. So for this example, since we're in bearish territory, we're looking for sells. I put it at the current daily low that has been made already, right? So that'd be down here, and that's that orange line. It's in there. You can barely see it, but it's in there. Okay. And I'm gonna play the next two candles because this one right here is my entry candle. Okay. And it's my entry candle because it closed underneath the price-based anchored VWAP. So again, when price comes back below that price-based anchored VWAP, it's telling me that sellers are in control now. Okay, even though it's really close, it didn't close like way underneath. You know what I mean? It closed pretty close to it, but in my eyes, in my analysis, it closed below it, and it closed underneath my daily low. So again, I trusted my analysis, I trusted my trade. Okay, so I let this thing play out for a little bit, and as you can see, we're in good profits, and it hit full TP for 50 pips. Okay, I risked 40 pips to make 50 pips, and to me that was a good trade. You know, it played out like I said. Everything, I just followed the EMAs, right? EMAs, anchored VWAPs, I followed it, followed the trend, right? Trend is your friend, as they say. So again, the idea was to fill this wick, right? So we went halfway through it, didn't fill it all the way yet. Okay, and we're gonna go into London session now. But as you can see, price came to another daily low that I had marked up, rejected it, bounced off of it, and we're coming back up to retest the other daily low level I have, right? So one of them was my previous daily low, one of them was yesterday's low, and yeah, so as you can see, price is coming back up, and it's again trading underneath the EMAs, trading underneath anchored VWAPs, and then boom, this candle right here is my entry signal I look for. Even though it traded on the anchored VWAPs, it closed on the anchored VWAPs. I trusted my trade, I trusted my analysis, and I took this trade. Okay, so signal popped off and I entered. So again, I'm gonna let it play out a little bit. As you can see, we're in profits, and this was at what, 7 a.m., 6:30 to 7 a.m. Okay, take the trade, and there was news to come out at 8:30 a.m. All right, this final GDP and unemployment claims came out today, right? So that was going to affect gold, that was going to affect USD, but I also had a feeling it was going to play a part with my GBPJPY trade. And I will show you what happened. So we were in profits, we came back. As you can see right now, is rejecting the anchored VWAPs and the EMAs. And we're trading back below. Okay, this is 8 a.m. right now. So 8:30 there was going to be news. Okay, so this very next candle, boom. So pretty crazy, right? How fast it just moves. So again, news came out, price had shot up, it rejected off the anchored VWAPs. So the time-based anchored VWAP, it rejected it. The price-based anchored VWAP, it rejected it. It rejected both EMAs, and it came straight down to TP. So again, awesome trade in my opinion. So Asian session, I won 50 pips, and then London pre-New York session, I won another 50 pips. So all in all today, I made 100 pips, and that is a great trading day in my opinion, you know. So that was it. That was my 2 trades today. For the price-based thing, so again, you see how price came down and made a new daily low within the Asian session, right? We could have easily put a new anchored VWAP or just taken that old one off and moved it down here. And again, same idea, same concept, just it looks a little different, right? As long as price comes back below underneath the price-based anchored VWAP, sellers are in control. That's not what I did. I left the price-based up here, and I trusted it, and again, it played out perfectly. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm just going over my trades. Nothing too, crazy about it, but it all played out in my favor today. And as long as you follow the trend is your friend. So everything should play out the way you plan, right? So I followed my plan, I stuck to the plan, trusted my analysis, and it paid off in the end. And that's it. That's how trading should be, right? Follow your plan, stick to it, and trust it. You gotta trust yourself. But yeah, that's it, guys. Just want to say thank you to all the support out there. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the subscriptions, comments. I appreciate it all. Keep them coming. And I got more to come. I got more knowledge to share, more chart markups, everything. More to come. 2024 is going to be a whole new trading for no sleep FX. Watch, I'm coming for you guys. All right. So again, thank you. I appreciate it.